Hi everybody, I'm here in North Carolina outside Charlotte, and I came here to see a doctor about my neurogenic thoracic outlet syndrome, and he's an adhesion specialist, and I do have an adhesion on my neck, and they found it and I got some good answers, but I'm here in North Carolina, so I already had my appointment today, so we are out exploring nature. We're at Big Rock Park, and it's kind of weird because it's in the middle of a neighborhood. I thought it was going to be like a park system, but it's just in the middle of this really nice neighborhood.
Basically, we took a shortcut. Right? Ew! It got hit by water.
No?
Well, maybe it wasn't water.
No, yeah, maybe it was pee.
Oh. That's an animal or a leaf. That's a mushroom. But you're probably
Hey, there's some behind the blocks.
Ow. Mom, look, Claire kicked me. Look at that. You kicked me. Mom, look.
You're on video. What?
Claire literally kicked me. Look.
I didn't kick you.
You have the shoe mark from where she kicked me. Literal shoe mark.
The shoe mark from where you kicked me earlier today. And you tried to push me into the river. So, I don't want to hear it.
Should I climb this? I don't think it's pretty there. What is it? Who Sharpied the rock? Who didn't invite me?
Did somebody actually Sharpie the rock?
Probably somebody graffitied it and they painted over it.
Let's... I saw that.
We'll go up there.
And that was climbing big rocks with your kids who are arguing. Bye.